Jumping right in, looks like we have an opportunity to add a keyword to your title. Add something like dog grooming or the city that you're located in to help with your local SEO. We have an opportunity there. Looks like it's also short as far as the character count goes. Your meta description looks okay. Looks like once again we have one keyword in here. This is looking pretty good. Our character count could be adjusted. Big thing that we're seeing here is the canonical tag is missing. This helps search engines choose which URL to index, and right now there's not one specified. Looks like we're missing a meta description tag here as well. There looks like there's about 6 pages here that are missing meta descriptions. These are the descriptions that show up in search engine results, kind of describing the page, what's on it. It helps a customer or a consumer understand what they're getting on the page. Also, with a little bit of copywriting on there, you can kind of entice somebody to click on this page. So you're missing meta descriptions for these pages as well. This here is not a live link. Now, generally, you can build these in a way so that if I were to click on it via my computer, or even better, via my phone, where many search queries are happening, a user could call you immediately. What I like about this is this continues to remove friction. We're making it easy for somebody to get a hold of you. We did a quick audit on your site as well on the back end using a very powerful SEO tool. You can see that you have 2 orphan pages. This basically means that these are pages on your website that don't have any links leading to them, but they are still indexable. So a few things can happen here. You can either make sure that you remove them from your sitemap and they aren't indexable, or if you want these to be found, you would want to add links to them from your menu.